Hi everybody, so today we're just going to be doing another YouTube video, and no views, 7 views, 3 weeks ago. See? Look. All I wanted to say is if you're going to view my channel, then you should subscribe to someone's channel. I got 41 views in total, and then 0 subscribers. I just don't get any of y'all. The bullies, online bullies, just don't give any of you. I just don't get any of y'all at all. You guys are all stupid. Go ahead, hate my channel. But I'm just telling you, all these likes I did in videos, you should like them. That's just what entertains you. And I can just stop making videos and just delete my account. I really enjoy doing this, but I can just delete my channel if I wanted. Like, I don't get any subscribers at all. I only have 1 subscribers. And I just want to tell y'all that you are a piece of junk. This was my other account, 7 subscribers. Like, what the crap? And then you guys are over here, not even. Just buy. Just buy. I need that channel back. I'm probably gonna log back on it. And just make sure you guys all subscribe to aka me. This is actually me. And I had 7 subscribers.